Hi everyone! Today I'm going to talk about how to pass the metrics in BPO/call center. I will give you 8 important performance metrics to pass/call center tips. Pero bago tayo mag-start, pa-intro muna mo. Disclaimer lang po, I am not an expert and this is just based on my experience and research. Ano nga ba yung performance metrics? Okay, performance metrics are the indicators that measure the overall performance of the call center. For a successful call center, you need to focus on some performance metrics. These metrics bring new insights to the call center process. By the way, if you like this kind of content, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll get notified on my next videos. At my current company, these are our KPIs to meet to get incentives. This is in addition to your basic salary and allowance. We have quality assurance rate, repeat calls rate, account cadence, 24-hour SLA, email per hour, phone calls per hour, closed cases per hour, and most important, attendance. So I will not gonna further explain how our KPI works. Instead, I am going to give you some tips on KPIs that is being used in other BPO companies. So without further ado, let's get started. First, customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction in call center is a measurement of how pleased your customers are with the 3 most important aspects of a positive call center experience: fast resolution, real-time support, and a friendly agent. Ito yung feedback ng customers how satisfied they are with the overall experience with the company. Second, we have the first call resolution, or what we called FCR. FCR is a metric that reveals how well your contact center resolves your customers' problems, questions, and needs during the first interaction via any communication channel. The key to first call resolution is that no follow-up or escalation is required. Ito naman yung metrics na you are taking ownership of the call to resolve the issue. Third, we have quality scores. What is a call quality score? Call quality scores are measured by recording and analyzing customer service calls in order to determine the effectiveness and performance of call agents, call centers, and service departments. Ito naman yung pinagbabasihan kung nagawa mo ba sa call yung lahat like empathy, following the right process, exact and correct documentation, and so on and so forth. Fourth, we have average handle time. Average handle time, or AHT, is the average duration of the entire customer call transaction from the time the customer initiates the call to ending the call, including all hold times and transfers, as well as after call work. Siguro naman kung tayo yung customer, ayaw natin magstay sa line ng matagal. At lalo na kung di naman mare-resolve yung concern mo, right? Number 5, absenteeism rate. One thing that has a major impact of the functioning of all call center is the number of days in a year that is lost due to the agents being absent. This can actually lead to influencing the staffing, scheduling, and bottom line of call center. If you want to develop a budget or optimize the workforce, these KPI can certainly help you achieve your goals. Which is totoo nga naman. Paano mo naman mamimit yung ibang metrics kung absent ka, di ba? Mindset ba? Mindset! Just kidding. Okay, number 6. We have adherence to schedule. Schedule adherence is the amount of agent time actually spent in accordance with their scheduled tasks is a proportion of their total scheduled time. Scheduled conformance is the amount of agent time actually spent working as a proportion of their total time scheduled to work, regardless of their adherence. Present ka nga, di ka naman sumusunod sa break schedules mo. So, maaapektuhan pa din ang staffing or counts na dapat magtitake ng calls. Number 7, after call work. After call work or ACW are the tasks necessary to complete after an agent interacts with a customer. Common ACW activities includes updating systems and records, logging the reason for contact and outcome, updating call lead, and scheduling follow-up actions. Eto naman, dapat hindi ka magkaroon ng mataas na ACW. Means yung time na naka-ACW ka, naka-auto-in ka na sana para di din maapektuhan ng staffing, right? Okay, number 8, last but not the least, productivity rate. Higher productivity translates to better customer service and increased profits. The biggest factor that influences the productivity of your call center is your agents. When agents are happy and motivated, they can excel at customer service. This is where you can check kung nagiging productive ba yung agents. Nakikita naman yon on how they interact with the customers. If you pass all KPIs that are mentioned, more likely you will pass on this KPI and you'll get extra incentives. So those are the 8 important performance metrics to pass / call center tips. I hope you were able to learn something. If you have questions, comment down below, and if you have suggestions for my next tutorial vlog, let me know and I will create it. Thank you for watching!